Alright, we have a H2102 dehumidifier, could hardly say that word. It's got a portable handle, buttons, dustproof filter, water tank, 7 coloured lights, an air input net. And I got this from Temu because the winter's coming and we live in an old stone house, so we thought we'd give the dehumidifier a try. We've had the other, you know, the chemical ones where it's a bit like cat litter, isn't it? Open? Yes, it is. So we decided to go for this. This is the instructions, so if you can see that. I'm doing this on my phone actually. So just come. It shows you several things you can. Oh, Chinese. So hopefully this will give us, it'll take a little bit of the moisture out of the air. It's well packed. So if you can see that. It's well packed. But it came like this. Just the label on the side of the box. That was it. Amazing we got it in one piece, to be honest with you. And that's all there's in the box. That box there. I'm excited to give this a go because it's compact size. It's not too massive. You can see there. You can see that. It's not too massive, but it's big enough. It's got a, hang on, power lead. Where's the power lead? Unless it's inside it. Yes, it is. How'd you get this off? It's got massive tape on it. How'd you get this tape off here then? Come on. Oh, there we are. Thank God for that. So this has got a little lid in it. Take the lid off. It's got an auto switch off function. It's AC powered with an English plug. Actually came from Britain because I bought it from Temu, but it was one of these direct ship from suppliers. So it came on. It took a couple of days to turn up, which is all right. There's the power lead, decent enough. And take this stuff off it in a bit. This has got, like I said, an auto switch off function. Can you see that all right? So I think what happens is that once it gets full, it holds a litre, something like that. So it's good enough for a bedroom or a small room. So there's the back of it. And it's got a little filter thing here. So if you click that out there, there'll be a little dust filter there. There's the blade, the condensing blades. You've got sleep, light, on, off. So there's, I think it lights up like 6 or 7 different colours. So, well, that's how you do. Take that out. It's not quite it. That's all there is really. So, like I said, this was 23 quid including delivery. Perfect little size. Plug it in. If you've got like a damp little room somewhere, like under the stairs or a little cubby hole or something, ideal. Even stick it in your bedroom. This is where this is going, is in the bedroom. So there's no branding on it, it just says dehumidifier. I'll let you know if it's a noisy thing or not. But that's it for now. Take care. Bye bye.